Remarketing. Everybody is talking about it, and yet many are not sure what it is and how to work with it. Remarketing is proven by studies to be one of the smartest investments you can do in your online advertising. And today we will talk why it's important and how to run a remarketing campaign. My name is Shay Nir and I'm the founder of exponential.buzz, a digital agency that specializes in PPC advertising. If you want to watch more videos about digital advertising and PPC, remember to hit subscribe below and turn on the notifications. What is remarketing advertising? Remarketing is an advertising technology which allows us to show ads only to people who already visited our website. Studies show it takes around 7 interactions with the brand until a potential client makes a purchase. So it makes sense to remind our visitors we exist. Studies also show remarketing ads can convert 200% more than normal display ads, and sometimes they convert even better than search ads. Fantastic, right? So let's learn how to use it. We have various types of remarketing options, and the main PPC platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads are adding more and more types every month. To set up any remarketing campaign, we need to think audiences. It's not about keywords, it's not about interests or demographics or any other targeting option you know. It's all about the audiences. Here are the main types of remarketing audience we can work with. The first one, website visitors audience. That's a classic. You can set it up in both Google and Facebook. Second type, page engagement audience. This works very strongly in Facebook. The third one is based on uploading a list of contacts. This can work very well if you have a big list of clients from your CRM and you would like to cross or upsell them. The fourth one, which is getting more popular nowadays, is video viewers audience. It's very common to use this option for a 2-phase campaign, in which we generate views in the first phase and then remarket to those who watch more than 50 or 75% of the video in the second phase. There are a few more types of remarketing. I strongly suggest to explore these options and test them out. And until the next time, may the conversions be with you.